Welcome back to Homestead, Mississippi. Well, we got some stuff going on. Those ducks right there, the 3 males, we're gonna take care of them today. I don't know if we'll get them on the smoker today, but they're gonna be processed. Also, I'm gonna show you some of the flowers that Mima's gonna be growing. We're gonna move forward. Hello, Mr. Rooster. Good morning. Duckies, don't run too far. Yeah, that might be mean. So let's get this day started. Let's get this work done, and let's see how far we get with the ducks. All right.
What do I say? I forgot. I said I forgot.
Purple hibiscus plant?
That was one of the ants.
Ay, ay, ay.
So we have a hibiscus here that we've been trying to let grow. What?
What kind?
Does it have, can it,
Purple hibiscus. Yes.
Okay. What if I accidentally call it pink? Then what?
Come on.
Here we have a purple hibiscus that we've been trying to let grow.
Hibiscus plant.
Doesn't matter. I love you, biscuits. I want more. Not. You're pretty, but I like stuff in my belly too. Hibiscus. Okay. Here we have a purple hibiscus. Biscuits. I like biscuits.
Stop it, okay?
That was an accident. Sorry.
So when we take the life of an animal, it's not a small deal. It's a big deal, even if we're doing it and we're going to eat them. So we're going to be respectful. We're going to honor these ducks. We're blessed to have had them. We're blessed to have the meat from them. And this is not a small matter. It's not something we take lightly. When we take a life, it's for the purpose of eating, then we're thankful. Otherwise, we're not just going to slaughter them and be like, ha ha ha, we just killed them ducks, got rid of them nasty things. No, that's not what we're doing at all. These 3 here, and well, looks like they may take each other out right now without me. Good gracious, he's sticking his head in. But that's the reason you can't keep so many male ducks. They fight and they tear each other up. All right, boys, let's grab one.
Here we have a hibiscus purple. Here we have a purple hibiscus that we've been trying to let grow. Last year it got accidentally down.
Stop it! Okay.
Here we have a purple hibiscus plant that we've been trying to let grow. Last year accidentally got cut down because
Just keep going. Stop. Just keep going.
it accidentally got cut down when Papa
Last year. Start there.
Sorry y'all, we're just trying to get my accent right, but
Okay, just start from the beginning. 3, 2, 1, go.
here we have a purple hibiscus plant that we've been trying to let grow. Last year accidentally got cut down.
Stop it! Even Blondie got bored and she left.
No, she didn't leave yet. She just got embarrassed. Here we have a purple hibiscus plant that we've been trying to let grow. Last year accidentally got
I quit.
Okay, we've caught all 3 and hanging them. We're going to kill them and let their blood drain out. Then we're going to take them one by one to Mama and let her process on the inside. The ducks have been slaughtered. They're not cleaned up yet. That's next. Got them hanging from the tree over here. Next is I'll take them in and let Mima pluck their feathers. She's got boiling water going. And after that, then she'll clean them. And I don't know if we're going to try to smoke some ducks today or if it's going to be maybe later this week. But we've got some ducks to eat on now. All right.
Here we have, ouch! Oh my goodness. I shouldn't be playing with stuff on my feet. Here we have a purple hibiscus plant that Mama has been trying to let grow. And last year, while Papa was trying to clean up the fence, it accidentally got cut down. And so now it's just trying to grow back and look pretty again.
Once the ducks have died, we bring them in, put them in the hot water. Then Mima plucks all the feathers off. And after that, then Miss Aubrey is over here fine-tuning them. Getting all the small stuff off. What comes after that, Mama?
Getting the guts out.
No guts. Then comes the smoke. Then comes our bellies.
Except Miss Aubrey, she won't eat it. Because she's a vegan.
Vegan. Clean. There we go. Look at that. Looks like a largemouth bass. Roar. With its arms. Pig picking time. Ha ha ha. Ooh-wee. Really? Again?
You missed one right here.
Yeah?
I want to eat that one.
Good. Look at that one. Little bitty one. Some of these I'm not going to pick because I don't think they're ready.
Mama, come look at the really, really purple one. Oh, everybody's trying to get it. That one's mine because I saw it. What? It's mine.
Oh, right there. I see it. Oh, you gotta be very careful here. Oh, I'm trying to get that in here, kiddos. So we don't have a lot, but we got enough, you know, to eat a few or something. But still early. There's quite a few green ones still on here. We're gonna do what we can, pick some more. You know, not all today, but that is gonna be sweet. Was yours sweet?
Very.
Yeah, very sweet. The darker they are, the sweeter they are. I got a couple that were not that ripe, but they'll be fine. Don't see any more? Don't see any more. Trying to get your peach. Get it, Abigail. Attack.
Mine's eating my short. Really?
Alright, so here we have We have a what? A naked lady. Ooh la la, look at their slim bodies.
So here.
I think this. Okay.
So here we have a type of lily known as.
Naked lady.
Hold on, okay. Hold on, I can do this.
You can do this.
Okay, I can do this. Okay.
You can do this. You can do it.
I can do it. Okay. So here we have a type of lily.
That's what you said last time.
I know.
We have a type of lily called a naked man. No.
Here we have a. Okay. Here we have a type of flower named Amaryllis belladonna, aka known as the naked ladies. When you plant the bulb, when they start to grow, you only have the leaves, and eventually the leaves fall off. After you plant the bulb on the ground and they start growing, what comes out first is only the leaves. And of course, as it grows, you see the flower starts coming out, it starts blooming, and then the leaves will eventually fall off and it will turn into a beautiful naked lady.
Beautiful naked lady.
They will turn into these beautiful flowers. I have no idea what just happened, but I don't think I got this right. Aren't they beautiful? Actually, I don't.
Hey, so we're out here at the site for the flower shop, as well as Miss Aubrey and Anthony and Ella are going to have their home sitting right here. Tomorrow it's being delivered. We've got the bricks over there on the trailer. We're gonna just leave the trailer here, and when they get here they're gonna put it up and they're gonna drop that little house off. And we've got sewage, we've got water, and electricity's right over here. And electricity. So this is their future home site, as well as the flower shop's going to go right up here. Flower shop will be right up here somewhere, and eventually we're going to do roads and flowers, and you're going to be able to come out and cut flowers. And what else? Talk, Mama.
Cut your own flowers if you want, or we can make bouquets as well. So it'll be both.
Yeah. All right. Fresh cut flowers, bouquets. Woohoo! We're gonna be in business. We bush hogged yesterday and got some fresh hay for the goats. So we're gonna load some of this up right now and take it over to them. Good stuff. You want to try it, Ella?
She was chewing on it earlier.
Yeah. All right.
Welcome back to Homestead, Mississippi. I came here to give you an update on the baby birds. But sadly, we have had a loss with some of the baby birds. With those blue eggs, Daddy had showed you. Daddy said something got them like a snake. But the other baby birds I am about to show you are doing great. Those ones that had hatched are now just with wings and feathers. I don't know if you can see them. So let me zoom in. Let me see if I can zoom in or not, but I don't know if you can. They're right there. It's a little bit too dark. But good news is they're about time for takeoff. So when they take off, one of them have already taken off with its mama. Right now the mama's not here. She's somewhere in those trees. But, or actually she might be up in there. I don't know. But I'm just here to show you the update on the birds. So like Daddy says, it's good to be good. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.
2 days in a row, 15% chance of rain. Then we get hammered. Great for the plants and everything. Look at this. Woo! Thanks for watching our channel. Y'all come back and see us again. Y'all be blessed. And don't forget, be good.